Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing for you the black Adidas Essential Crew Sweatshirt, whatever you want to call it. I think that's the name. Let me just double check. This is the small size Adidas Essentials Crew Sweatshirt, yeah. So yeah, this is the small size, which should fit me since I got the other one. Check out my other video, the white one. That fit me perfectly, and this is the same, I reckon. It's just a different color. So if you've not checked that one out, check it out. I recommend it for the summer. Actually, you don't wear this in the summer, it's too hot. So I recommend this for the winter. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and open this. This is simple packaging. Just rip this off. Easy as that. I'm just going to take this tag off. This is probably made in Pakistan as well, yep. This was made in Pakistan, small size. And yeah. Just going to take the tag off and I'll be back. Alright guys, the last one had the white one has black Adidas logo with the white. This one has the opposite. Actually, this one's a bit more silver. That's pretty cool, I like that. And the rest of the thing is pretty much plain, but it's hella soft. Like honestly, it's soft as fuck. Oh wait, I'll do it like in my other video, soft as fuck. Yeah, so it's soft as fuck. I'm just gonna go ahead and try this on straight away and I'll show you what it looks like. Just gonna set my camera up. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, so I need the blue line in there somehow. Oh wait, it's further back as well. As you can see, this is my recording space. Alright guys, I'm going to show you what it looks like now. Let me just get out in front of the camera. This is the front of it. Got the logo there. It's not reflective, it's just normal. It's very soft, very hot. It's got like a fur coating inside. See my fat belly, need to go gym. But yeah, this is the back. Just plain. Side is the same. Really soft though. I prefer the white one though because it's very bright. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. I'll show you the inside of this. Take a look at the inside. You see the quality, guys. Like a thick fur. Very thick. Like you feel the quality of it. It's very soft, so I really like it. So yeah, highly recommend this. Definitely for winter. I would get the white one as well because you might as well. This was £42 as well as my other one. And yeah, anyway guys, check out my other videos, check out my clothing unboxings, my car videos, everything, and subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.